Hey there. If you are a cleaning business owner, residential or commercial, making between 10,000 and 40,000 a month, but find yourself wearing all the hats in your business, working in the field, doing admin tasks, responding to emails, phone calls, making sales, managing inventory, and the supplies, responding to emergencies on top of everything else, we can help. My name is Shireen Dickens, co-founder of the Business of Cleaning. And after growing my own cleaning business, which I still run today, and coaching and talking to hundreds of cleaning business owners, I know the problems that you face, from the systems you need to be more effective in your business to the mindset you need to lead your cleaning businesses. We can help you take your cleaning businesses to the next level by implementing the systems that take off all of those hats in your business. We understand what it's like to start out in the field, cleaning houses with just you, your caddy, and a dream of running your business. But sometimes this dream turns into working 24/7, feeling overwhelmed, feeling trapped, and still doing all the cleaning paperwork, sales, and all the other tasks. That's why we took everything we have learned growing our cleaning businesses and created a 6-step systemization process that can help you take off all those hats and gain the freedom and entrepreneurial dream that you had when you first started your cleaning business. Here are the 6 systems. Marketing. We implement a system that will generate leads on a consistent basis and make sure you have leads coming in from various profitable sources. Sales. We'll turn leads into walkthroughs and help you convert those walkthroughs into clients. Operations. Deliver a great service with a system for operations. It's not moving. We need to start it on operation. Sales. We'll turn leads into walkthroughs and help you convert these walkthroughs into clients. Operations. We will help you deliver a great service with a system for operations that allows you to do service delivery at a high level with excellence. Human resources. Manage the entire process of hiring, onboarding, and offboarding your team. Financial management. Ensuring that you have all the data you need to run your business smoothly, be profitable, and make informed decisions based on data. Technology. Make things automatic and ensure the process is done correctly. At the Business of Cleaning, we don't just offer coaching on how to run a cleaning business. We help you implement the systems you need to execute and take your business to the next level. Our goal is to help you take a 30-day vacation and live the entrepreneurial dream that you always wanted when you started your business. So, if you are tired of overworking and feeling underpaid, take the first step to take your cleaning business to the next level. Click the link below and schedule a discovery call with us today.